Hello, and welcome. This short video explains why construction work zone crashes matter and what the data tells us. In 2023 alone, 898 people were killed in work zone crashes in the United States. Our Florida-based study uses crash data, mapping, and AI tools to better understand when these crashes happen, where they cluster, and what factors are most associated with more severe outcomes. Work zones are risky because they change the normal driving environment. Lanes can narrow, shift, or merge with very little warning. Drivers may also be traveling close to workers, equipment, cones, and barriers. When visibility is reduced or traffic is slowing unexpectedly, the margin for error becomes very small. That is why even a minor mistake can turn into a serious crash. This issue affects far more than a construction project. Work zone crashes affect drivers, road workers, passengers, and families. They can also create traffic backups, increase stress, and delay emergency response. In our study, we analyzed 84,575 work zone crashes in Florida. The public takeaway is simple: work zone safety is a community issue, not just a transportation issue. To study the problem, we looked at 5.65 million Florida crash records collected over multiple years. We combined descriptive statistics, maps, and AI-based modeling to answer three practical questions: when do crashes happen, where do they cluster, and what conditions are associated with more severe outcomes. The role of AI here is not to replace human judgment. It helps detect patterns in large datasets that are difficult to see manually. The data shows that work zone crashes are not random. They follow recognizable patterns. They are more concentrated during daytime work periods, weekdays, and summer months, and they cluster more strongly in busy urban corridors. Rain, wet pavement, and limited visibility also appear more often in work zone crashes. Behavior matters too. Following too closely and poor yielding remain important. Our AI models also suggest that speed, alcohol, and multi-vehicle interactions are strongly associated with severity. Overall, work zone crashes showed a higher share of severe outcomes than non-work zone crashes. One reason this matters to the public is that many solutions are immediate and behavioral. Drivers can reduce risk by slowing down earlier, increasing following distance, staying off the phone, and paying close attention to signs, cones, flaggers, and lane changes. In work zones, expecting the unexpected is one of the safest mindsets a driver can have. The research also points to practical improvements for agencies and project teams. Safer work zones depend on clearer warnings, better lane guidance, stronger nighttime visibility, and traffic control that responds to weather and traffic conditions. Targeted enforcement during high-risk periods can also help. The larger message is that safer work zones can be designed proactively, not simply hoped for. The closing message is simple. Work zone crashes are serious, but they follow patterns. When we understand those patterns, we can make better decisions, as drivers, as planners, and as agencies. Safer work zones protect workers, drivers, passengers, and communities.